I often hear from business owners like you, the next generation in my business, in my family, wants to modernize our business, but the senior employees in my business are resisting. मैं क्या करूं? Welcome to my talk series Kya Karu for business owners like you. I am Nalin Mehta, and today we will talk about navigating the tension between modernization and resistance from old experienced employees. Senior employees often resist change, but rarely for the reasons you think. It is not stubbornness. It's because they have seen initiatives fail before, they fear becoming irrelevant, or they know problems that you don't. If you don't address the real dynamics, the business stays stuck, or worse, you lose institutional knowledge during forced change. First, identify what's actually being protected. When a senior employee says, "This won't work here," ask them, what specifically will break if we do this? Often, they are protecting a customer relationship, a supplier dependency, or a process workaround that exists because of a real constraint. I have seen modernization fail because next generation automated a process without realizing the senior employee was manually fixing supplier errors. The system couldn't catch some of the issues. Document these invisible practices first. Then design changes that preserve what matters while eliminating what doesn't. Second, make them architects and not audience. Pick one painful problem they complain about. Let's say chasing payments or manual data entry they hate. Give them decision rights on solving it with next gen as support. When they see a technology reducing their frustration rather than replacing their judgment, resistance converts to curiosity. One client let their accounts head design the invoice approval workflow. He became the biggest champion because it eliminated manual follow-ups while preserving his control over the credit decisions. Third, create safe-to-fail experiments. Run parallel systems for 60 days. Keep the old process as backup while testing the new one. Measure what they care about, errors, complaints, time saved. If it fails, you revert without damage. If it works, data speaks louder than arguments. So uncover what they are protecting, make them architects for the solution, and test changes with safety nets. Modernization isn't about winning an argument. It's about building a bridge between experience and innovation. I hope this helps. Stay connected on LinkedIn for more such insights. Thank you very much.